Everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to sketch the following quadratic functions. X y equals to x squared plus 4x, y equals to 2x squared plus 10x. So going to start explain the part 1. In part 1 is y equals to x squared plus 4x. Initially, you should know which type of parabola you will sketch. So there are two types of parabola for quadratic x function for maximum value function and this parabola for minimum value function. So we have positive x square and the coefficient of x square is positive here. So for positive x squared, we have to sketch minimum value function parabola. This is called parabola. So don't sketch this parabola for positive x square, and you can memorize for positive x square if y equals to x square and something. So this is positive x square. So from happy face, you have to memorize. Now, the step number 1 is find x-intercept. Find x-intercepts by putting y equals to 0 or by replacing in equation number 1. So let's assume this is our equation number 1 here. And we have to put or replace y with 0 to get x-intercepts. So y equals to 0. Going to put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 to get x-intercepts. And how to solve these equations? By taking common. X is common here. X plus 4 factorization, by factorization, sorry. By factorization. Now equating with 0. 0 equals to x or 0 equals to x plus 4. So x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 4 are x-intercepts. After this, we have to start to sketch. So this is 0 and x equal to minus 4. So I'm going to mark minus, let's suppose this is minus 4 here. This is minus 4, this is 0. And this left-hand side is negative here. So next step, draw line of symmetry, which will be passed from minus 2. So line of symmetry. Now start to sketch. So we have the x, we have minus 4 x-intercept and 0 x-intercept here, and curve will be minimum value function. So suppose This is y equals to x square plus 4x. Now, but one more thing, what are the coordinates of turning points? What are the coordinates of turning points? So we can find coordinates of turning point by putting the equation of line of symmetry. So this is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. And the equation of this line of symmetry is x equals to -2. Equation is equation of LOS, line of symmetry. Be careful, LOS is not the symbol of a symbol for line of symmetry. Is not the abbreviation for line of symmetry. So equation is x equal to -2. To find to find vertex or turning point, coordinate of turning point, we have to put x equal to -2 in the original equation or original function. So now this is step number 2 here. Find coordinates of vertex or we can say turning points or stationary point by putting x equal to -2, the equation of line of symmetry, x equal to -2. In original equation. The original equation was equation number 1. Y equals to x square plus 4 here. So copy y equals to x square plus 4. And substitute x equal to -2 in the original equation. So y equals to -2 square plus 4. -2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 here. Y equals to 8. Okay, there are some mistake, I think. Wait a minute, please. Oh, original function was x squared plus 4x, sorry. X squared plus 4x was the original function. So it was x squared plus 4x, sorry. So 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is -8. Y equals to -8 is the coordinate of y coordinate of turning point. It is y coordinate of turning point or vertex or stationary point. So going to write the turning point. This is turning point. Coordinates of turning point is Value of x is minus 2 and y coordinate is minus 8. So turning point coordinates are minus 2, comma, minus 8. Minus 8 here. So this is the coordinates of turning point, or we can say stationary point, or we can say vertex. So I hope you got the idea how to sketch y equal to x square plus 4x. Now move on part 2. Second part. Second part is y equals to sketch y equals to 2x square plus 10x. So I'm going to copy 2x square plus 10x is the second part for this video lecture. Part 2, y equals to 2x square plus 10x. I'm going to check this again. Y equals to 2x square plus 10x. Yes, okay. Same. Initially, you have to check which type of parabola you will be sketched. Minimum value function, or this is for minimum value function. Sorry, maximum. Because the turning point is at maximum value of y is maximum here in this case, or this type of minimum. So be careful. These are parabola. Be careful if coefficient of x square is positive. Coefficient of x square is positive 2x square. Positive 2x square. So positive for positive 2x. So positive 2x square. If coefficient of x square is positive, this type of parabola will be sketched. So cross. And you can memorize for this by happy face. Happy face for positive x square, y equals to positive x square. Now, okay, we have decided that minimum value function for this is the minimum value function, and this type of parabola will be drawn. So now step number 1 is find out x-intercepts. So before finding x-intercept, mark this is equation number 1 here. Find this is step number 1. Sorry. Find x-intercepts by putting y equals to 0. In equation number 1. So copy this equation, which is y equals to 2x square plus 10x, and replace y with 0. You can solve this equation with by taking common by factorization. And the first step of factorization is to take common. So 2x is the common here, 2x and x plus 5. Now equate with 0. So by equating with 0, we have 2x equal to 0, or we can say x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, so x-intercept are x equals to 0 or 2, which will be 0, or x equals to minus 5. There are two x-intercepts here. This is 0 and minus 5. Now, start to sketch. Okay, 0 and minus 5, 0 and minus 5 are the x-intercepts. So I'm going to mark minus 5 here, minus 5. Suppose this is minus 5 here. Next step is draw line of symmetry. And line of symmetry is always passing through midpoint of this 0 and minus 5, which is minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. Now going to draw the line of symmetry here. So this line is the line of symmetry, is known as line of symmetry. And the equation of line of symmetry is x equals to minus 2.5. Equation, sorry. Of line of symmetry is x equals to minus 2.5. So try to sketch the function parabola. Minimum value function was minimum value function. So going to draw and try to be symmetrical. Sorry, it is not symmetrical here. Again, going to draw. Sorry. This is y equals to 2x squared plus 10x. This is a sketch of y equal to 2x squared plus 10x. But what about the coordinates of turning point? What about the coordinates of the turning point here? So okay, coordinates of turning points are we have x coordinate of turning point, which is minus 2.5. But what about the y coordinates? So for y coordinates, there are second step number 2. Find coordinates of vertex, or we can say coordinates of turning point, or we can say coordinates of stationary point, by putting x equals to minus 2.5, x equal to, be careful, x equal to minus 2.5 is the equation, x equal to 2.5 was the equation of line of symmetry. So I'm going to put this x equal to minus 2.5 in the original equation, original function, which was y equals to 2x squared in equation number 1. Equation number 1 was y equals to 2x squared plus 10x. So y equals to 2x squared plus 10x here. And by putting x equals to minus 2.5, so we get minus 2.5, and 2.5 plus 25 is twice of minus 2.5 minus 5 and plus 10 times of it is 25. So 25 minus 5 is 20. Sorry, minus 25. So it will be 30 minus 30. So this is the y coordinates of, it is y coordinate of stationary point or we can say vertex or turning point. So this was the y coordinate of this. This is a minimum value function. And so write down, remove this question mark. Sorry. Value of y is minus 30 here. So I'm going to write minus 30, minus 30. And the coordinates are minus 2.5 is x and minus 30 is y here. Minus 2.5 and minus 30 are the coordinates. This is the coordinates of turning point, or we can say stationary point, or we can say coordinates of vertex. So now I have explained how to sketch y equals to x squared plus 4x and y equals to 2x squared plus 10x. Y equals to x squared plus 4x I have explained, and y equals to 2x squared plus 10x I have explained how to sketch this. So can you sketch y equals to minus x squared plus 4x and y equals to minus 2x squared plus 10x. Try to sketch this. If you cannot not sketch, so watch upcoming video for this topic. Thank you very much. I hope you got the idea about this type of sketch. So share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.